Hebei Yabo Rubber Products Technology Co. Limited has more than 50 employees. Our team strives to maintain higher quality requirements and meet the needs of customers all over the world. Our business principle is sincere cooperation and honesty first. We specialize in the design, development and manufacture of rubber products for automotive seals. Main products: oil seal O-ring, belt, rubber bushing and custom rubber seals. After more than 10 years of development, Hebei Yabo Rubber Products Technology Co. Limited has become a well-known manufacturer with high reputation in the oil seal industry. It is also a foreign trade enterprise for global sales. Its products have been sold all over the world, such as the United States, Canada, Australia, Britain, France, Spain, Germany, Belgium, Singapore, Japan, Malaysia and Thailand. Our advantages are as follows. 1. A manufacturer with competitive prices and guaranteed after-sales service. 2. Welcome to customize with drawings and samples. 3. More than 10 years of OEM experience in many major brands. 4. Professional R&D, sales, QC and technical worker teams provide services. 5. Advanced equipment ensures rapid delivery of samples and mass production. 6. Reduce the minimum order quantity and seize more business opportunities. Our professional team will maintain 24-hour online service. If you choose to cooperate with Hebei Yabo Rubber Products Technology Co. Limited, our team will be your best assistant and secretary in China. Looking forward to cooperating with you in the near future.